Hi, Lipiao here again. In this video, I'm going to show you how I learned how to play Lord of the Dance. Again, I think it's another beautiful hymn on a traditional melody of simple gifts, and I think the words are very beautiful. Uh, the metaphor of the life and work of Jesus Christ as a dance, I think that's a beautiful metaphor which I really enjoy with this hymn. So for this hymn, there's actually quite a few chords that you need to know in the key of C. So in addition to the standard four chords in any key, you need another two more minor chords in this key. So let's go over the chords. Right, you have your regular C chord, then you have your F chord, and then you have your G chord, and then your A minor. And these are the two additional minor chords, E minor and D minor. Okay, so these are the six chords that you're going to need. And so again, this is it's a double or quadruple time, however you want to look at it. So you're going to play in general two strums per chord, so just one strum for every beat. There are times for dramatic effect you could just reduce it to just one chord, one strum for every two beats. And then there's also a place in the chorus where it might be nice to have an additional chord thrown in at the end of the chorus, which I'll show you in a little bit. But let's run through the first verse real slow next. I dance in the morning when the world was begun, and I dance in the moon and the stars and the sun, and I came down from heaven and I dance on the earth at Bethlehem. Said he, and I'll lead you all wherever you may be, and I'll lead you all in the dance, said he. Now I said before that there's a variation you could do on the last two lines of the chorus. So I'm going to show you those right now. Let's just go through the chorus. Dance then wherever you may be. I am the Lord of the dance, said he, and I'll lead you all wherever you may be, and I'll lead you all in the dance, said he. Now, when you play this fast, you could also do a variation on the strumming where you actually do on the first beat is a down strum, and on the second beat is a down up. Okay, so it goes something like. Okay, so it's like. And so on. So that's something you could experiment on your own. Okay, grab your song sheets and let's play through this at a kind of a slower pace. I dance in the morning when the world was begun, and I dance in the moon and the stars and the sun, and I came down from heaven and I dance on the earth at Bethlehem. I start to dance with the devil on your back. They buried my body and they thought I gone, but they end the dance and I still go on. Dance, dance, wherever you may be. I am the Lord of the dance, said he, and I'll lead you all wherever you may be, and I'll lead you all in the dark, said he. They cut me down and I left apart. I am the light that will never, never die. I'll live in you if you live in me. I am the Lord of the dance, said he. Dance, dance, wherever you may be. I am the Lord of the dance, said he, and I'll lead you all wherever you may be, and I'll lead you all in the dance, said he. So I hope you have as much fun as I did learning this hymn. I probably started out a lot slower than even the run through that we did. So again, start slow, practice the chord transitions. You can always go back to just one strum per chord, and then build up to kind of 2 strums per chord. So that will help you to kind of learn this hymn. So thanks for watching, and see you next time.